Yeah. Natural black representing for Just Flex TV. Then we know what I go on, you understand?
And dancing Just Flex. Real flag boss, you know what Just Flex. Keep your...
Yeah, what go on, all viewers and subs. Bless up at Just Flex, just a check-in. Bless up all over here, long time and all. Just a forward. Well, Just Flex just come to share 2 videos with you guys. The first one, this is in Port Maria, where there's river sea waters became red like blood. But viewers and subs, what I go just make you watch the video them for yourself, and then me get back to you in. So just watch what I go on. Soon forward.
Well, you said that get brighter and brighter, my friend. That get brighter, though. People say water change and turn red blood in a Port Maria town. Yeah. Look how it turn red blood. And everybody come and test the water and then can't find a way to do it. Watch it. A sign a show, you know. Scientists come test the water and you know what make it so red. And then say it get redder. You see it? You see it, people? And then say, this see you don't want it, you see a box it out. You see? Look over here, son. Show no cross the road. And then a joke thing, God, you think God is easy? See it there? See it there? You see the whole of the water turn red, the river water it turn red at Jamaica here. So Port Maria, Jamaica, right on the bridge in the town middle. See the town there? Video about it now, so bright. And the man neck knife blood.
Must be just science, man. Look there, look how more come. Look one more come from the angle. Look there. Come in there, guys. Yo, come in.
Yes, so bless up. Welcome back, all viewers and subs. So this video here, this took place in Manchester, right? And the first one in Port Maria, where the water turned blood. Well, viewers and subs, you don't know, say right now, look more from this, me have a Duppy story. So just gear up for that. Yeah? When Tico, the Duppy of Kellits in Clarendon, right? So the video make already and thing. Yeah, I just upload when the time is right. But you don't know, we just really bring Duppy story abroad there. But viewers and subs, peace, and just gear up. Soon forward. Up.
And dancing Just Flex. Real flag boss, you know what Just Flex.
Yeah. Natural black representing for Just Flex TV. Then we know what I go on, you understand?